3 reasons why deer in Japan are considered sacred. First, they are known as Nara's Shika, or Nara's deer, and they are designated as a natural treasure and protected species in Japan. Second, the deer in Nara have learned to bow as a form of interaction with humans. This behavior is taught to them through a reward-based system where they are given food when they bow. Third, the tradition of feeding and protecting the deer in Nara dates back centuries. In ancient times, harming these sacred deer was considered a capital offense punishable by death. Subscribe for more animal facts.